Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Mulyaningsih. I am from SMK 4 Penajam Pasir Utara, one of the participants in the upskilling batch 2 in 2024 class A. This time, I will present the results of the assignment for learning session 3, worksheet 3, with the theme of handling customer conflict or complaints. Complaint customer. The key to maintaining customer satisfaction is with understand and handle customer complaints well. Below are some examples of customer complaints that often occur in the restaurant industry. Food quality. Number 1. Unpleasant taste. The food served has a taste that doesn't match customer expectations, such as being too salty, too spicy, or not having a good taste. Number 2. Unattractive appearance. The food served looks less attractive visually, such as sloppy cuts or sloppy presentation. Number 3. Improper texture. The food served has an inappropriate texture, such as being too hard, too soft, or inconsistent. Service. The employee's attitude is less than friendly. Employees who don't smile enough, seem indifferent, or even appear unenthusiastic in serving customers. Slow service speed. Customers have to wait a long time to order, receive food, or get the bill. Lack of employee knowledge. Employees can't provide complete and accurate information regarding menus, ingredients, or special customer requests. Cleanliness. Cleanliness of the eating area. Table, chairs, or dining areas that look dirty, messy, and not kept clean. Toilet cleanliness. Toilets that are not kept clean, both in terms of cleanliness and unpleasant odors. Cleanliness of eating utensils. Plates, glasses, and other eating utensils that look less than clean or even contain food residue. Kitchen cleanliness. The kitchen is not kept clean enough, giving rise to concern about food safety and hygiene. Price. Food prices are too expensive. Customers feel that the price of the food doesn't match the quality option provided. Food prices are not transparent. Customers feel that food prices are not clear enough or that there are additional costs that are not explained well. Price doesn't match expectations. Customers feel that the price of the food doesn't match their experience and expectations when eating at a restaurant. Atmosphere. Number 1. Noise. The restaurant atmosphere is too noisy, whether from music, television, or other visitors, which disturb customer comfort. Then, room temperature. The room temperature is too hot or too cold, making customers feel uncomfortable. And then lighting. Lighting in restaurants that is too bright or too dim reduce customer comfort. And the last is decor. Restaurant decoration that are unattractive, outdated, or don't match the theme that customer expect. Safety food. Number 1. Raw material clean lines. Customers feel that the raw material used are not kept clean, which raises concerns about food safety. Number 2. Processing. Customers feel that food processing process in the kitchen is less than hygienic, making them doubtful about food safety. And number 3. Food serving. Customers feel that the food served doesn't meet safety standards, such as containing foreign object or remaining from previous food. Time and communication. Long waiting for orders. Customers have to wait a long time to order food, making them feel unappreciated. Delay in serving. The food served takes longer than promised, making customers feel neglected. Unclear communication. Lack of clear and open communication from the restaurant regarding schedule change, menu availability, or other important information. Handle case customer complaint. How to handle case complaints? Things we have to do. Active listening and empathy. Number 1. Listen carefully. Focus on what the customer is saying. Remove any distraction and show genuine interest. Number 2. Show empathy. Recognize and validate customer feelings. Make them feel understood and appreciated. And number 3. Clear communication. Convey information clearly and avoid technical terms that are difficult to understand. The importance of customer feedback. Customer feedback is a valuable source of information that can help companies identify areas of improvement, measure satisfaction, and develop better product and service. Leveraging feedback effectively is an important step to continually improving the customer experience. Resolve complaints efficiently. Problem clarification. Make sure you really understand the problems your customers are facing. Next, identify solutions. Look for the best solution that can meet customers' needs. Implementation of settlement. Take the necessary actions to resolve the problem immediately. Turning negative experience into positive. Learn from mistakes, analyze the causes of the complaints and find ways to prevent similar problems in the future. And then effective communication. Explain solutions to customers clearly and provide regular updates. And then providing compensation. Consider giving a discount, credit, or gift as a sign of apology and repair. Continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Feedback. Continuously solicit and analyze customer feedback. Process improvement. Review and refine business processes to improve service. Staff training. Provide adequate training to staff to improve skills. Customer loyalty. Build long-term relationship with satisfied customer. Case 1. A customer complains about the waiter poor attitude. Completion steps. Initial response. Respond quickly to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience experienced by the customers. Complaint verification. Check customer complaints by confirming the waiter in questions. Explanation and solution. Provide an explanation to the customer about the reasons for the waiter's behavior and hasten the person concerned to apologize. Compensation. Offer compensation in the form of a discount as a form of apology for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Follow up. Follow up with customers after the problem is resolved to ensure their satisfaction. And then example to case A. Case 2. A customer complains about food taking a long time to arrive. Completion steps. Initial response. Respond quickly to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Complaint verification. Checking customer complaints by confirming the waiter and chef who prepared the order. Explanation and solution. Provide an explanation to customer about the reasons why the food has not been delivered for a long time. Compensation. Offer compensation in the form of free drinks as a form of apology for the inconvenience experienced by customers. And the last, follow-up. Follow up with customer after the problem is resolved to ensure their satisfaction. Negative impact of unhandled customer complaints. Loss of customer trust. Eroded reputation. Customers who will their complaints are ignored will lose trust in the company, worsening the brand's reputation and image in the eyes of the public. Difficult to retain customer. Without any effort to handle complaints, customer will move to competitor who care more about their needs. Reduce business opportunities. Loss of customer trust means lost opportunities for repeat business and positive recommendation. Decreasing customer loyalty. Customer dissatisfaction. Customers who are disappointed with the handling of their complaints will feel unappreciated, lowering satisfaction levels. Moving on to competitors. Without loyalty, customers will easily switch to other brands that are more responsive to their complaints. Lost but business opportunities. Disloyal customer will not make repeat purchase or recommend to company to other. Decline in sales and income. Loss of customers. Despite customer that turn to competitor, lowering and sales figures. Bad image of the company. Deteriorating reputation causes potential customers to be reluctant to make transaction. Reduce royalty. Disloyal customer will reduce purchase and frequency of visits. Legal risks and customer claims. Claims for compensation. Customer can file a claim for compensation for bad service or negative impacts that they experience. Regulatory violations. Failing to address complaints may be considered a violation of consumer rights. High litigation costs. Long and expensive legal proceedings can drain company resources. Reputation damage. Legal involvement can worsen the company's image in the eyes of public. Long-term loss. Loss of trust. Customers find it difficult to return after being disappointed with the handling of complaints. Number 2, decline in sales. Loss of customers and royalty result in decreased revenue. Number 3, reputational damage. A company's bad image that spreads is difficult to repair. The importance of proactive customer service. Listen, understand customer complaints carefully. Respond, provide fast and satisfactory solution. Study, take lessons from every complaint for future improvements. And the last, increase, continuously improve process and service. Conclusions. Handling customer complaints well is key to maintaining trust, loyalty, and long-term business growth in the food and beverage industry. Ignoring complaints can have a major impact on a company's reputation, sales, and sustainability. That's the presentation of the results of my assignment. I hope it is useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.